Hi, I'm Mike Gubby. Let's now measure for an outside mount roller blind. Now, the reason we might do an outside mount roller blind is because we don't have the depth inside the recess, or it's a bedroom and we want the fabric to come off the back of the tube and cover the architrave so we create more darkness. So before I show you the measure process, I just want to show you the two brackets that we use, which is a male bracket and a female bracket. And for an outside mount roller blind, the brackets come with these really nice cover caps. So I just want to show you exactly where they're situated. We're going to put one bracket flush with the outside edge of the architrave on this side, and we're going to put the other bracket flush with the outside edge of the architrave on that side there. So now let's go ahead and measure the width of the roller blind. If you could just hold the tape measure just right there for me. So in this instance, we're measuring from the outside edge of the architrave to the outside edge of the architrave, and I can see that measurement is 1340, 1345, 46, 47. So 1347 millimeters is our width. Thanks, Netta. And now our drop measurement is, in this instance, from the floor to the top of the architrave, and I can see that measurement is 2180. Now, because this window goes from the top of the architrave down to the floor, that's exactly where I've measured to. But if there's a section of wall in this place here, and the window is sort of positioned between there, then we'd measure from the top of the architrave to the bottom of the architrave at the bottom, and that would become our drop size. So Netta, thanks very much for your help again. I hope you found that useful. Thanks.